How to create a WhatsApp button in Webflow. This is the Webflow editor, and here you can create a WhatsApp button like this one, just using the link to WhatsApp plugin we have. You need to create a button, and in the button you are going to include a link to your WhatsApp number. How you create a WhatsApp link? Just go to our solution, and here you can type your phone number. Hi. You create the message, you copy the link, you go back to Webflow, and in Webflow you just paste the link in the button you want to use. That's it. I mean, it's quite simple. There is not much to do, and you just need to publish or save. Let me see, where is that? Publish here. Okay. Publish. Now we can go and check the website, how it's going to look. Okay, looks fantastic. And here you have your WhatsApp link. This is going to open WhatsApp and is going to send you the predefined message you just create. So it takes 1 minute literally to create the WhatsApp link and include the button in your Webflow website. If you want to add a widget, you can do it. There is an option here in Elements to include custom HTML, but you need to have a premium Webflow website. If you have the premium version, you can include the code and you can include the WhatsApp widget. But in the free version, if you want to have just a free landing page using Webflow, you can create the website, you can create a button, and you can add a link to your WhatsApp number. Very easy to do, very easy to create, and Webflow is a really cool solution. So hope this worked for you. If you have questions, just send us an email. Thank you.